Have you ever looked at your peach plant and wondered why it suddenly stopped growing, even though you were watering it regularly and trying your best to care for it? The leaves begin turning pale yellow, the branches look weak, and the plant slowly loses the healthy green energy it once had. Many gardeners assume the problem is a lack of fertilizer, sunlight, or water, but sometimes the real issue is hiding underground where most people never look. The roots begin struggling silently, and by the time the leaves show visible symptoms, the damage has already started spreading beneath the soil. This is one of the most frustrating problems peach growers face. A peach plant can appear alive for months while slowly declining from root stress, fungal infections, or oxygen-starved soil. The growth becomes slow, the leaves lose their deep green color, and new shoots stop developing properly. In severe cases, the graft union area, the sensitive point where the peach variety is joined to the rootstock, starts showing dark patches, soft fungal growth, or moisture damage. That area is extremely important because it acts like the main highway transporting nutrients and water through the plant. Once fungus begins attacking that section, the entire plant weakens from top to bottom. Many people continue adding fertilizers during this stage, believing the plant is hungry, but feeding a stressed root system is like giving heavy food to a sick person whose stomach cannot digest anything. The plant cannot absorb nutrients properly if the roots are unhealthy. In waterlogged or compacted soil, oxygen levels drop dramatically and roots begin suffocating. When roots cannot breathe, harmful fungi and bacteria multiply rapidly. This creates the perfect environment for root rot and fungal infections around the grafting union.
One of the biggest hidden causes behind yellow peach leaves is compacted soil. Over time, watering and natural settling make the soil dense and hard. Instead of remaining fluffy and oxygen-rich, the soil turns into a tight block that traps moisture around the roots. Peach roots love airy soil. They need oxygen just as much as they need water. Without oxygen, root tips stop expanding, nutrient uptake slows down, and the plant enters survival mode. The leaves start turning yellow because the roots are no longer transporting enough iron, nitrogen, and minerals upward. In many cases, growers also notice that even after watering, the plant still looks stressed. That happens because damaged roots cannot efficiently absorb moisture anymore. The plant may technically be sitting in wet soil, but internally it behaves as if it is drying out. This confuses many beginners. They water more and more, unknowingly worsening the fungal problem underground. Now imagine discovering fungus beginning to form just below the grafting union while also noticing weak root growth. That is a serious warning sign. If ignored, the infection can slowly spread deeper into the root zone and eventually kill the plant. But fortunately, there is a surprisingly effective method many gardeners use to revive struggling peach plants: improving soil aeration and carefully applying diluted hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is not magic, but when used correctly, it can completely change the underground environment around plant roots. The reason lies in chemistry. Hydrogen peroxide is made of water plus an extra oxygen molecule. Normal water contains H2O, while hydrogen peroxide contains H2O2. That extra oxygen atom is extremely reactive. When hydrogen peroxide comes into contact with soil and organic matter, it begins breaking down rapidly, releasing oxygen directly into the root zone. H2O2 turns into H2O plus O. That released oxygen can temporarily improve soil aeration around struggling roots. In compacted or overly wet soil, this oxygen boost helps roots breathe again. Healthier oxygen levels also create a less favorable environment for many harmful anaerobic fungi and bacteria that thrive in stagnant, suffocating conditions. The first step before using hydrogen peroxide is extremely important: softening the soil carefully around the peach plant. Hard soil traps moisture and prevents oxygen movement. By loosening the soil gently, you create pathways for air, water, and nutrients to travel downward more effectively. This also allows the hydrogen peroxide solution to penetrate evenly into the root zone instead of remaining on the surface. After softening the soil properly, a diluted hydrogen peroxide solution can be prepared. In your case, using 3 milliliters of 6% hydrogen peroxide in 1 liter of water creates a mild oxygenating solution suitable for sensitive peach roots. Applying this carefully around the root zone twice can help improve underground conditions without excessively stressing the plant. The reason dilution matters so much is because concentrated hydrogen peroxide can damage living root tissue. Small amounts provide oxygen benefits, while strong concentrations may burn delicate roots. This is why experienced growers always use controlled doses instead of pouring concentrated peroxide directly into the soil.
Once applied, the hydrogen peroxide starts reacting almost immediately. Tiny oxygen bubbles begin forming within the soil pores. This oxygen release helps reduce stagnant conditions around the roots.
Harmful microbes that prefer low oxygen environments become weaker, while the roots gain temporary access to more breathable conditions. One fascinating effect many gardeners notice after proper peroxide treatment is improved root tip development. Healthy roots require oxygen to generate energy. Inside plant cells, oxygen plays a major role in respiration, the same basic energy-producing process found in animals and humans. When roots receive more oxygen, they can produce more energy for growth and repair. As oxygen availability improves, root tips often begin expanding into new areas of soil. Fine feeder roots start developing again. These tiny roots are extremely important because they are responsible for absorbing most of the plant's nutrients and moisture. When feeder roots recover, leaf color often improves gradually because the plant regains its ability to transport minerals efficiently. Another reason hydrogen peroxide helps is its mild disinfecting ability. Many fungal pathogens struggle in highly oxygenated environments. While hydrogen peroxide is not a guaranteed cure for every fungal disease, it can help suppress certain harmful organisms around the root zone when used responsibly. This is especially useful when fungus begins appearing near the graft union or surface roots. However, timing and moderation are everything. Overusing hydrogen peroxide too frequently can disturb beneficial soil microbes as well. Healthy soil contains millions of good microorganisms that assist roots with nutrient absorption and organic matter breakdown. Excessive peroxide applications may disrupt this balance. That is why occasional treatment combined with improved soil management works better than repeated heavy applications. Your second method, loosening the ground soil around other peach plants and applying 20 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide into a 10-liter watering can, is another mild dilution approach that mainly focuses on improving root zone oxygenation across multiple plants. This lighter concentration can help maintain healthier soil conditions, especially in areas where drainage is poor or soil compaction is developing. But hydrogen peroxide alone is not enough if the original soil problem remains unresolved. Long-term peach health depends heavily on drainage and soil structure. Peach trees hate sitting in soggy, airless soil for extended periods. If water remains trapped around the roots after rain or watering, fungal problems often return. That is why soil aeration is one of the most powerful preventative measures for peach growers. Adding organic material like compost can gradually improve soil texture over time. Compost helps create tiny air pockets inside the soil, allowing oxygen movement while also improving drainage. Mulching around the tree can help regulate moisture levels, but the mulch should never touch the graft union directly because trapped moisture around that area encourages fungal growth. The graft union itself must always remain visible and dry. Many growers accidentally bury the grafting point under soil or mulch, creating constant humidity around the most sensitive part of the tree. This dramatically increases the risk of fungal infection. Keeping that area exposed to airflow helps protect it from rot and disease. Sunlight also plays a huge role in recovery. Peach trees are sun-loving plants. Strong sunlight helps leaves produce more energy through photosynthesis, which supports root recovery. Weak roots and weak sunlight together create a dangerous combination because the plant loses both energy production and nutrient uptake at the same time. Another important factor is watering frequency. After improving the soil and applying peroxide treatment, many growers make the mistake of watering too often again. The goal is balanced moisture, not permanently wet soil. Peach roots prefer cycles where the upper soil dries slightly before the next deep watering. This encourages roots to search deeper for oxygen and nutrients instead of remaining shallow and weak.
Recovery signs usually appear gradually rather than overnight. The first positive sign is often new green growth emerging near branch tips. Then leaf color begins improving slowly from pale yellow to healthier green shades. In many cases, damaged older leaves may not recover completely, but new leaves appear stronger and healthier. Root recovery always takes time because the underground system must rebuild itself before visible top growth accelerates. Sometimes gardeners panic when they do not see immediate improvement after treatment, but root repair is an invisible process. Beneath the soil, tiny feeder roots are slowly regenerating, damaged tissues are healing, and oxygen balance is stabilizing. Patience becomes essential during this stage. One of the most interesting things about hydrogen peroxide in gardening is that its effectiveness often comes from correcting oxygen imbalance rather than acting as a fertilizer. Many people think plants only need water and nutrients, but oxygen is equally critical underground. A healthy root system lives in a balance between moisture and air. Too dry and roots dehydrate. Too wet and compacted and roots suffocate. Successful gardening is often about maintaining that balance.
In struggling peach plants, yellow leaves can therefore become a warning signal of underground oxygen stress rather than simple nutrient deficiency. When gardeners understand this connection, they stop blindly adding fertilizer and begin focusing on root health first. Your approach of first loosening the soil before applying diluted peroxide was especially important because peroxide works much better in aerated soil. Hard, compacted ground prevents oxygen penetration. By softening the soil, you helped create pathways for oxygen movement, allowing the treatment to reach deeper root zones more effectively. Still, peroxide should always remain a supportive treatment rather than a permanent routine. Healthy soil structure, proper drainage, correct watering habits, sunlight, and airflow are the real long-term solutions. Hydrogen peroxide acts more like an emergency oxygen boost and temporary cleanup tool for stressed root systems. If the peach plants continue improving, future care should focus on prevention. Avoid overwatering, maintain loose soil structure, keep the graft union dry and exposed, and monitor for any returning fungal signs near the base. Healthy roots are the foundation of every healthy peach tree. When the roots breathe properly, the entire plant responds with stronger growth, greener leaves, and healthier development. And sometimes the difference between a dying peach plant and a thriving one is not expensive fertilizer or complicated chemicals. Sometimes the answer begins with something simple: soft soil, fresh oxygen, and giving the roots a chance to breathe again.